My primary influence was the mentor that I worked with when I was a medical student at NYU Medical School. And her name was Dr. Marjorie Zucker. And she was a very, very famous platelet biologist who had done many of the pioneering studies in the late 1940s on platelets, long before all of the increased interest that occurred over the years. And she taught me how to do science. She taught me about scientific integrity. She taught me about being critical. She taught me about thinking about proper controls. She taught me about how to read the scientific literature critically. And she also introduced me to a lot of the leaders in the field, so I had an opportunity to read their papers, and then the very exciting thing of actually meeting them in person and having the chance to ask them questions. And I would say the most important thing she taught me, though, was one day when I came into the lab very excited about reading something in a paper that I had read the night before, and started to talk to her about it. And she said to me, well, that's all very interesting, but I don't think he believes that anymore. So that was a very sobering moment for me, because it meant that I couldn't just accept something that was written as being true, and I had to really be very cautious that even though something was written, I didn't necessarily follow that path until I had thought very carefully and made my own assessment as to whether or not that was really an accurate finding.